My man is finally here on his multi. Bro, look at that. It looks like some procession is happening on the road with the amount of lights he has on his bike. He has a very interesting stickering done to his bike of Red Bull. It looks different from all the other multi-starters. One of the reasons I didn't like multi was it's two plain colors. It's just plain red colors. That's why I didn't like multi-starter so much. Now with the sticky, it looks too good. It's one of the best bikes for touring. I would recommend it, but not off-roading, touring. Off-roading, heavy usage, I would prefer. Honestly, not even a GS. If you don't have that much height, I wouldn't say it's suitable for people who are short. And Indians are usually more of the shorter lot. So for off-roading, I would suggest Tiger, because it's very nimble, the new one especially, or Africa Twin. Africa Twin is meant for off-roading. It's like a dirt bike on the road. It's like a legal dirt bike, road legal dirt bike. Whoa, 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 whoa. See, if it was old Faisal, he would do this. But I'm not. I'm a good boy. I didn't cross 130 again. Like, are you people proud of me for being this responsible citizen who's taking care of his petrol? I mean, his decisions on the road. Ouch. I think Vishwas and I should pair my headset. He has a Senna, I guess. I have a Perini by Senna. Oh, guys, by the way, if you want a review of the most budget-friendly Senna, do let me know in the comment section. Oh, bro, it's so cold! Oh, what the hell? Because of these trees, we got like extra breeze of cool air. I got so cold. I guess we're going to Mayura. Oh, bro! It's too cold, bro. This is why we need global warming. I mean, sorry. This is why we should do morning rides. Oh my god, I'm freezing. I hope my audio is clear. Oh, bro, it's too cold, bro. Ooh, shit, boy. I'm wearing literally innards from the company. I mean, my Rhinox innards. Then my what is called? It's called innards only. It's called thermal liner or something like that. And I'm wearing some sweatshirt and another plain shirt, bro. But still, it's pretty cold. Imagine if I wasn't wearing anything, I'd be dying. But this is only till around 9-10. Then it's gonna get warm as hell. No problems. Oh my lord, people are not there in the behind, but Vishwas is leading. That's a first. Ouch. Oh, bro, it's too cold. Oh, no. How can Vishwas lead? I'm sorry. Vishwas isn't leading. That's my other friend, Srikanth, on his Ducati. It's cold, bro. I'll vlog later. I'll listen to some music. I'll be sexy bike, bro. One of the good things about this weather is look at my engine. It's still not warm, it's still not hot, it's still pretty cold. This is like just the starting. There's no warmth, nothing in the engine. Oh my lord, it's beautiful. I guess that's a new Thar. Yep, that's a new Thar. Thoughts about this Thar, I really think it's worth the money because it can be a family car whenever you need and you can off-road it whenever you need. It's just there. And it's a really good investment, I believe, because especially for the people who travel places where most cars can't. Okay, let's see. Okay, it looks like a box, not bad. Okay, I guess you get extra wheel also with it. It's a terminal registration car. It'll be fine. Obviously it's not gonna paste it. Oh my god, it's so cold. I guess he's gonna paste it. No.
Can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this. You can't touch this.
It's too cold to rip, bro. That's why you should wear leather jacket. I don't have a leather jacket. This adjusting with what I have. Whoopsie daisy. Okay, bye Thar. It was nice seeing you on the road. It's worth it though. It's worth it. Bro, I hate false neutrals, bro. You just end up revving the engine so damn hard. We should be reaching Mayura in another 10 to 15 kilometers. Or probably more, I guess, yeah. Around 20 kilometers, I guess. It should be around 95 from my home. So minus 10 of this 60, so probably 30 kilometers more. But yeah, we're on time. We'll reach there by 7:15. So bro, this Thar guy is doing too much, bro. Go off. Finished. Kill him. Whoopsie daisy. Whoa. Okay guys, see you in Mayura. Oh my god. It's so cold here that I've literally gone numb. I don't feel anything. I've become comfortably numb. Bro, what? This is so huge. They're building some restaurant only, bro. Oh. Where's Shreyas, bro? It's too cold for me. I won't be surprised if I reach to Mayura and Shreyas has texted that, bro, I've already gone back home. Like, I scooted back because it was too cold or something. I won't be surprised because he's the only guy riding back alone. This guy is ripping like mad to keep up with us. Not mad, maybe 120, 140-ish. Nothing great. But the thing is, he can't push because it's so cold. Why would you push? You'll end up freezing your hand. Okay guys, so I'll see you in Mayura. I guess we have reached Mayura, yep. It should be somewhere here, yep. The indicator went on, that means we have to go to the left. Yep, that's Mayura. I'm pretty sure at this point, Shreyas has left us. It's just the three of us from here on till Kudremukh. Oh, can't wait for some good dosa. Hey, it is true only. They have destroyed this. Before we used to sit here and have food. We're the first bikers here for the day, guys. Whoa. That's what happens when you're riding with Vishwas. You're always on time. Very punctual about time. Oh, look at this bike. It's all clean. Even mine. Even I was cleaning my bike last night.
Cold, man.
Huh?
Freaking cold.
I think Shreya's went back, bro. I think Shreya's cut.
No,
It's coming, oh. It's too cold, ah. Oh. Weird flex, but okay. Weird flex, but okay. It's too cold, dude. It's too cold, too cold, too cold.
time to get heated gloves. Heated gloves, heated grips. Man, I'm freezing my hand.
How is it without with the top box, yeah?
So okay. No, it's
If you adjust a little bit, no, calling and all. No, peace, huh?
peaceful.
I think yeah, shares. No.
No, it'll come the minute you see the bike.